There was a fella, and he was working in the post office down here in Iona, and he fell in love with a girl who was apprenticing there and was learning calligraphy. And well, the postmaster himself fell in love with her, but there was another fellow who fell in love with her too, and well, they didn't go out for very long. They weren't courting for very long before she went to Boston.
She was from Maple.
And after
the girl.
going down to Boston, she began to write letters and send them back to her. Well, that was okay, and this went on for quite some time. But he wasn't receiving the letters. So the fellow, he remarried. He married. And yes, so at his wedding, I guess the postmaster who was, he was teaching her calligraphy, he went into the wedding and threw a bundle of letters onto the table. And he was holding her letters, and they weren't going through to the fella who was so big on the girl. So yeah, that's what happened. So we went to a fella in Southwest Mhàiri, and Malcolm Gillis. Malcolm Gillis, yeah. And he tall metal. And he started to make this song for him. And it's a very nice song. He says all kinds of nice things about her.
Cool, man. You from Apple.
Huh?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, I don't really know.